Building an online network of business connections is something that is commonplace these days. But how do you build your network in person at conferences like the Shaping Your Career in Energy Conference, co-hosted by EPIC and the Carolinas chapter of the Women's Energy Network? I'm Emmanuel Wallace, a recent graduate of the University of North Carolina at Charlotte, and in this episode of Peak Demand, we're going to talk with EPIC Executive Director Dr. Mike Mazzola about the keys to making the most of your conference experience. I'm here today on the campus of UNC Charlotte, sitting with Dr. Mike Mazzola, the Executive Director for the Energy Production Infrastructure Center. Thank you for taking the time to be with us here today.
Well, thank you, Emmanuel. It's my pleasure.
So diving right into it, could you please tell our audience a brief overview of the Shaping Your Career in Clean Energy 2022 conference coming up?
Shaping Your Career in Energy is an amazing opportunity for students at all levels of progress, from their first semester on campus to just about to graduate or to continue their education outside the classroom. Beginning with our keynote speaker, the amazing Ms. Swati Daji, Senior Vice President, Duke Energy, you will learn about the most important technical challenge of the 21st century, namely decarbonizing the electric grid to reduce climate change, and what is happening in North Carolina to affect that change. Then we have panels that include information ranging from the most exciting new technologies in energy to how to get an internship while in college or a new job just after graduation.
So what are some key ways to make the most of your experience at a conference like this?
Well, that's a great question, Emmanuel. First, do some research on the conference speakers and panels before you get there, so you can prioritize your time. Check them out on professional social media, such as LinkedIn. While you're at it, consider creating your own LinkedIn profile. It's free. Second, be prepared to make the best possible first impression. That means dressing up to a professional look. Remember, you'll be meeting professionals that will be thinking about you as a future employee. Oh, and don't forget a couple copies of your resume. Finally, ask for contact information from people that you would like to follow up with. For example, ask for a business card and send them a quick thank you note by email. Being courteous as well as professional will open the door faster when you seek your next opportunity.
Thank you for sharing these simple yet effective tips for how to make the most of this conference coming up and how to expand your network. Before we go, is there anything else you'd like to add?
Absolutely. We have some great door prizes for those who attend, including several financial scholarships for Charlotte students. All you need to do to be eligible for the door prizes is to register for the conference before September 30th, sign in the day of the conference by 9 a.m., and enjoy lunch on us to see if you are a lucky winner. One student will take home the grand prize of a $1,000 scholarship.
Thank you for your time today. We are looking forward to the EPIC and Win Carolinas Energy Conference coming up. Don't forget, that's the Shaping Your Career in Clean Energy Conference coming September 30th. Thanks for taking the time, Dr. Mazzola. For more information on the Shaping Your Career in Energy Conference, visit epic.charlotte.edu, click on the News and Events tab, and select Conference. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel to see more episodes of Peak Demand. For the Energy Production and Infrastructure Center, I'm Emmanuel Wallace.